From the Ming Dynasty's Yongle Encyclopedia, the largest compilation of human knowledge ever assembled in 1408, to Qwen 3.6 in 2026. China's obsession with organizing and mastering knowledge has never really gone away. And today, Alibaba just dropped a 27 billion model that beats model 15 times its size on coding benchmarks. The story is the same: do more with less, and we will continue this story on this channel by installing this model locally and testing it out thoroughly. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. We have been covering this new Qwen 3.6 series a lot, and I'm really excited to present you this new model. I am going to use this Ubuntu system. I have one GPU card NVIDIA A100 with 80 GB of VRAM. If you are looking to rent a GPU on very good price, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for a range of GPUs. Now I will be talking more around this model because there is a lot to talk, but at the same time I will kick off the installation. The first step is to log into Hugging Face so that we could download the model. I'm just going to run this command and give it my read token, and I am logged in. You can also grab your token from Hugging Face profile. Next up, let's use VLLM in order to download and serve this model. And you can see that I am enabling here the reasoning so that thinking tokens are handled correctly. The context window is 32K. If your GPU is not that big enough, you can reduce it. And then we are going to serve it locally at port 8000. If you don't know what VLLM is, how to get it installed, just go to my channel and then watch this second video. You will become a hero from zero in VLLM in no time. It's fairly simple, by the way. Okay, so let me kick this off and we will talk about the model. So the model is being downloaded. While it downloads, let's talk more around what exactly is this new Qwen 27 billion is. So it's a dense model, meaning every single one of its 27 billion parameters fires on every single token. No routing tricks, no sparse shortcuts. That's the opposite of mixture of expert models like Qwen 3.5, 35 or 3.6, 35 billion, which has 35 billion parameters but only activates 3 billion at a time. Dense models are simpler, more predictable, and easier to deploy, and Qwen are betting that the right training dense can win over mixture of expert. The model is natively multimodal. It can handle text and vision. We will also check it out. It can support up to 262K context natively and has a new feature called as preserved thinking, where it actually remembers its own reasoning across the whole conversation, not the just last message. That's a big deal for agentic coding task where context compound, and that is why they are calling it their flagship level coding in this size. Now, if you look at the benchmarks, this is where it gets really embarrassing for the competition. Qwen 3.6-27 billion scores 77.2 on Sui bench verified, beating the much larger Qwen 3.5, and on skill bench it scores 48.2 against 28.7. It just sits below Claude Opus 4.5 across most coding tasks, but this one really is impressive because we know that Claude Opus size is way bigger than this 27 billion. Let's go back to our terminal and see what is happening. The model is downloaded and now being loaded onto our GPU. And the model is now being served. Let me show you the VRAM consumption quickly. So this is what the VRAM looks like, which is pretty good, just under 74 gig of VRAM. The whole model is loaded onto the GPU. Okay, now let me open it and let's start the testing. And Qwen 3.6-27 billion is now running in our local open web UI. Let me give it the first prompt. So the first prompt is where I'm just going to give it one image from my local system. This is where I'm asking it to reproduce this Conway's game of life. Let's see if this model can look at this image from its vision capabilities and reproduce it in single HTML file. Let's run this. It is thinking with its reasoning parser and you can see that immediately it has come up with a plan. And I'll just go here, it is producing the code, and let's wait for it to produce it and we will test it out. And it has produced the code with all the features, also has given us the synopsis. Let's open it in the browser. And this is our Conway's game of life. Let's play. So first up, I'm just going to click on this Gosper glider run at the bottom. This is a preset and this is what it looks like. Let me click on play. Wow, look at these cells coming alive. I can also adjust the speed here with this slider. It is working, it is getting faster and it is getting slower. How cool is that? And let's hit pause here. Yep, it's paused. Let me draw my own cell. Maybe I'll just go with this. And I'm just clicking on the screen to draw my own cell. Let me now click on play. And now you can see that my cell is also interacting and working. I can increase the speed and then I can just randomize it so that all the cells will mingle and do. And if you don't know what this game is, it's a zero player simulation where cells live, die or multiply on a grid based on just 4 simple rules. And from that simplicity, infinite complexity emerges, as you can see here. So I'm just going to click on pause. Clear is also working. Maybe you can go with beehive or block or glider or pulsar, and then we can just simply click on play. We can pause it and then we can step through it instead of automatic. So this is the Conway's game of life. Qwen3.6-27 billion has just generated it in single shot. How cool is that? In the next test, I am going to give it this handwritten image where there are a lot of physics equations. What I'm asking this model to do is to only describe the equation on second line of this image, ignore rest of the text. So let's see if the model is able to do this OCR plus, how strictly it follows the instruction. It is thinking, it is analyzing the image, it is going, dissecting everything, and then it is checking which is the line 2 and it has stopped at line 3 instead of wasting time, which is always good. Now it is formatting the output and I can already tell that it has zeroed down to that line like this one. But anyway, we will let it finish thinking and then we'll go from there. It's so fascinating to watch the model think. And I just wanted to show you this thinking of the model. The reason why this prompt is so hard is because the second line actually goes into the third line. They are not two different lines. So, but the model has identified that that is why it is just checking again and again and again. And now it is writing it out. It is perfectly right. Totally correct. Okay, now let's do another vision test, which I'm sure you guys are going to love. So I'm going to give this model the image of this beautiful, beautiful temple. And I'm asking the model, this is one of the India's greatest living temples, still in active worship, over 2500 years. So tell me the 5 most incredible facts about it that even most Indians don't know. So if you are from that region or if you know about it, please check the response. Let me know what model tells if you knew about it or not. And there you go. The model has come back with the response and correctly identified that this is a magnificent Meenakshi Amman temple in Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Specifically, you are looking at one of its massive gopurams. So sorry if I'm not pronouncing it right. So Vanakam and sorry. So let me know what do you think about these facts that it looks like stone, but it's actually brick and plaster. No shadow phenomena. The goddess has 8 breasts and there is a specific reason. We can read through it houses a shrine, and then it was the first university of Tamil. Let me know what do you think are these correct facts and if you knew about them or not. Let's do a final quick multilingual test. For it, I'm asking you to translate the sentence below into all of these languages. Sentence is from Nigeria, that a Yoruba grandmother in Lagos who used to sell logi at the market every morning taught herself to code at 87, stayed up 3 nights straight under a kerosene lamp, and just shipped her first app to the world. Vibe coding at its best. So I will let it finish this. I will scroll through it, and then, as usual, please do me a favor and let me know in the comments what do you think, if the translation is correct, or what exactly is the quality of translation. And meanwhile it does that, please do me a favor and like the video, hype it, subscribe to the channel, and become a member. And please follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates. Okay, so let's wait for it to finish thinking and come back. And by the way, I'm not done with Qwen 27 billion, but dense models are really cool. I always like them and love them. Same was the case with 3.527 billion. So I will be making more videos from different angles, so stay tuned. And it has thought for 10 minutes, and that is why these videos take time. So I will just scroll through. Please check your language and let me know what do you think. So far I think it has done well. So Hindi looks okay, Spanish looks okay, Korean, and then Standard Arabic, Russian, Urdu, Indonesian, and it is still writing through. So I will just pause here at Japanese and Swahili, and then I will let it print. Let's keep scrolling. So Swahili is done, Marathi is done, some of the regional languages are there too, and then Chinese, some of the other Asian languages, Persian, Thai, Gujarati, Polish is there, Burmese, Southeast Asia, and then some of the European languages, Czech is there, Kurdish, Bosnian, Uzbek. And please let me know in the comments what do you think about these translations. Icelandic is there, and then it is just doing this Farisi finish, and then Scandinavia. And I will keep scrolling. So Greek we already have checked, Catalan, Malay, and various other languages from Africa. Some of the regional language from Pakistan, Afghanistan, Pashto, Sindhi is there, Hawaiian, Latin, Esperanto, Afrikaans, and then some gibberish, which is also quite cool. So look, the story of Qwen continues, and we are here to write it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Please again hype the video, become a member as it helps a lot. Thank you for all the support.